video. So what we're gonna do today, we are going to do baked fish. We're gonna, because I don't feel like doing it on the stove, so I'm gonna pop it in the broiler. So we're gonna do some baked fish. So I'm washing my hands. My hands are already clean, but you know, for your guys' pleasure, I'm washing my hands. Ooh, that water is hot. That water is hot. And before we get into this video, please remember to like, subscribe, click that notification bell for your girl. Every time she uploads a new video, you will be informed. Okay, so let's get into it. We're gonna clean our fish. So I had already had them clean it downstairs, but you know how it goes. They clean it at the supermarket. You clean it better at home. So you're gonna clean your fish. Now you can use, I'm using lime to clean my fish. You can use vinegar, you can use lemon. I have a video on how to clean your meat if you guys want to see how to clean your meat. And then you just get into it, because I don't know how good they clean it, so I'm just going over it to make sure there's no scales. All the way up. I don't want to be chomping on no scales. See you guys, scale. So this is why you always go over your own meats. You let them clean it, but you go over it to make sure it's done to your liking. Right? And guys, this is a tilapia fish. So this fish right here, oh my god, I love this fish. I absolutely am in love with this fish. This is such a good fish. It tastes good to frying. It tastes good to steaming. It tastes good to just pop in the oven, being baked. Like, this fish right here, it's amazing. It takes on the taste of whatever you put in it. So it's so good. Like, it's such a good fish. And it's strong. Like, it's a good sturdy fish. So for me, I like to cut my fish. Cut it so I can get all that seasoning up in there. All that seasoning to the fish. Get that out. Give that another good rinse one more time. Then you get into your seasoning. You guys, let me wash my hands again so I can not put my fishy hands over everything. So yes, you guys, so this is what we're doing today. We're gonna do oven baked fish, or baked fish. Do I really mean to say oven? It's going into a broiler. Anyways, we're gonna put in, oh I forgot, let me get it. We're gonna put in our onion powder. Just a little bit. It's only one fish, so you don't need to put too much. If you're doing more fish, then you put the amount of seasonings needed for the fish amount. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. Okay, you guys, I've said this numerous of times. I live for this stuff. I love this stuff. The perfect seasoning. Just a little bit. We're gonna put a few pimento seeds. I think I put about 6. A little bit of lemon pepper. Not so much. I'm gonna have my fish seasoning. So whichever fish seasoning of your choice, you guys. This is from Jamaica. This I got from Jamaica, so this is what I'm using. So I'm using like half a tablespoon of that. So whatever fish seasoning you have on hand, you can use it. I love this stuff. It's good for color and it has a little taste as well. Just a slight taste, not too bad. This is my Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that. Just see, it's a big chunky parts. A little bit of that. Now we're gonna put our fresh seasonings. So we got garlic, onion, mixed sweet pepper and thyme. I'm gonna put all that in there, and I think I need to go get a scallion. And I'm gonna go get a scallion because I forgot my scallion. 1 second, let me pop this scallion out of the fridge. A little bit of pepper. So I'm gonna do a scallion, or what they call it, spring onion over here. And then we have a hot pepper, which I'm not a fan of, but I'm just gonna cut like 2 pieces of it and put it into the fish. So let me So I'm not a fan of hot pepper, you guys. So this is as much as I'm gonna put in there. Don't laugh at me, I'm not a fan. This is as much as I can take in there. So I'm just gonna mince it up a little bit. I bet you this little bit of pepper right here is gonna give me so much heat. I'm probably gonna start crying on video just because I got a little bit of hot pepper in there. Oh my Lord, I could feel it coming now. I'm gonna put the scallion. My daughter loves to taste stuff when I cook. She's sleeping now, so she's not in here tasting stuff. Yesterday she tasted the spring onion. I was like, ugh. But she loves tasting stuff. She loves smelling stuff when I cook. She's going to be a great chef one day. So I'm just going to put on a glove, mix that in, rub all those seasonings into all the corners, the crevice in the corners of that fish. And what I say on my channel, marinate, marinate, marinate. So we're gonna leave this to marinate for a little while. Make sure you rub it into all those slice corners. You rub all the seasoning into your fish. All those slice corners. Salt. And my pepper. After I put that pepper in there, I'm going to put more pepper in there. I must not like myself. So this is it, you guys. This is how you're going to season that. Let me just stuff the seasoning in here while it marinates. Get all that flavor and juices in there. So this is it, you guys. This is your finished seasoned fish. And you're gonna you can let this marinate for about a half an hour. And once it's marinated, then you can pop it. I'm gonna pop it in the broiler. You can pop it in your oven. Oh, that's good. Oh, one more thing. I forgot one thing. Where is it? I forgot one thing. Guys, you could also put the fish and meat sauce on your fish if you want to get a good taste as well. I just tasted it. I don't think I need it, but you know what, for good measures, let's just dab a little bit in there. For good measures, you know, because you want your fish to be right and nice and tight and tasty. You want your fish to be finger licking good. So let me mix that around one more time. Just rub that sauce in there. Remember to rub it in the parts that you cut, you guys. Rub it in there. If you can stuff those parts with some seasoning. See, I'm trying to stuff it with some seasoning. And those parts of the chicken that you cut, just to get that flavor seep into your fish. And this is it, you guys. This is truly it, you guys. This is truly it. I don't have no more sauce, seasoning, whatever to go put on there. I'm not hiding anything else in the shadows. At least I don't think so. So that's your fish, you guys. For real this time. For real this time. This is your fish. And then you're going to cover that. Leave that to marinate for about half an hour. If you want to cook it today. I'm still not sure if I'm going to cook it today or not. So I'm just going to cover this and leave this to marinate and then decide my mind. Okay, you guys. So I'm back with the fish. And we're doing big fish. So look at this, you guys. It's been marinating, soaking in all that seasoning and everything. Look good, right? So all we're going to do is place the whole fish on the foil paper. So I'm going to get another foil paper. The fish are hot. Place the whole fish on the foil paper and the rest of the seasonings. And give it a little spray because you don't want it to stick. Move it a little bit. You don't want it to stick to the foil paper. Make sure you spray before you put the fish on, you guys. Spray before you put the fish on. Don't be absent-minded like me right now. Spray before you put the fish on. Fat fish. Catch the fish so fat, I can't even close it. And then you just wrap it up, you guys. And you guys, I'm gonna put this. I'm not gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna put this in the broiler because the broiler take less time to cook the fish. So you wrap it up just like this, you guys, and then you're gonna pop it in the broiler. I'm gonna pop it in the broiler for maybe about half an hour, and then half an hour it should be done because the broiler have this kind of pressure cooker thing I go on with it. So I'm gonna put that in there and put it on the pressure cooker mode, and it should be done in about 30 minutes, you guys. So I'll see you back in about half an hour. We're back, you guys. This is the final result of the baked fish. So this is it, you guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a hopeful comment so you can see whenever I upload another delicious video. I'll see you next time. Be blessed.